Hi guys, I'm just over here. So like, see, we already. So all you have to need to do is just fill up the, let it sit until it's bubbling. So we're gonna make some box mac and cheese. There's also some on the recipe on the side, but we are gonna make it our way. So first, you always open it up. Always ask the grown up if you're 6 years old or littler. Always ask a grown up. Then you get this out. Then you get some heavy cream or something. I'm sorry, making a video right now. Okay. So what I'm using heavy cream, so it's actually easy. So I have to open it. So I'm making my lunch, but if you want to watch this YouTube channel, it's fine. You just find me online. Always ask the grown-up for help if it's too tight. Dad!
Yes.
Need help.
Okay, hold on.
I'm making a YouTube video.
I see that.
About how to
Hold
make
it tight. Turn. Okay, be careful, it's very full.
So you can use a measuring cup. All you have to do is just fill it to 75. That's it. You need to fill it to 75.
That's too much.
We're filling it up to 75.
75? You sure? 75 what? You know what that is?
Just go up to 75 milliliters, and then you open up your cheese. All you have to do is just open it up, then pour it in. Just pour it in. Then you need, if you want to, you can use a spatula, but I prefer, you could use anything to mix it, but I would prefer a whisk, like I'm using.
That's my whisk. Are you sure about this, Luka?
All you have to do now is mix it, and when it's boiling, you can put in the macaroni.
Please don't touch that. That's not for you to touch.
So see, we have to wait. So, as we were saying, now it's boiling, so we have to put on the fan. Put on the fan and see how it's boiling. Then we put in the mac and cheese, which is the pasta. After that, we put in a little salt to season it. And then make sure to not forget anyone. And then we stir it. We'll take just a second. First we stir it. So everything will go perfectly. You about leave it for 10 minutes, we usually eat it. So we have to, when it starts looking crazy, stir it. Then you turn it down a little bit if it's high. Then you put on fan really high so it can slowly adjust. And after that timer, you can try it. And then if it's not good enough, set another timer the same way, and then boom, you get yours. How you like it? So we're back, we waited a little, now let's try it. Let's try to get it.
No.
So let's see. Crunch, crunch, crunch. It's good, so that's how you make your YouTube video. So stop and take a pause. I'm gonna be back later and just gonna get some materials. So now we're gonna pour it out. So you gangers, you can watch this. It's on.
Be very careful with that. It's very hot, right? You got it? Okay. Do you need help? Do you need help?
Yes.
Okay. That's good. Nope, you still need that pot, don't you?
So gangers, if you need it, now we're gonna save the extra. Now we're just going to get this.
I'll leave them. Okay. What do you do next?
So now we're gonna dry it, because you don't want water in your mac and cheese.
Do you need to do anything with the pot?
So now we're gonna pour it back into the pot. So now we're gonna put it into the pot. So crunch, 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 crunch. Now we're gonna put in some butter. Now we're gonna put in some butter. Then we're going to use a spatula to mix it around. So if you like my video, put the comments below. We're not done yet. So if you have lunch, please watch my video. And rise up happily. Don't eat this for breakfast. Definitely don't eat this for breakfast. Only for lunch. But so we have cheese now. We're gonna put in some cheese. We're gonna put in the cheese now. So if you like this video, it's pretty good. I made this by myself with always ask a grown-up for help for the stove if you're little or if you're a kid. Or if you're a teenager, that's fine. But if you're in college, so if you like this video, put the comments below. And always have a great breakfast. Never eat this for breakfast. And always have and I hope you have a great day. And it's probably going to look really good. And then it's going to probably look like this. So I really like, if you give me 5 stars, you don't have to.